So in your area form filling exercise, you have left many of the things. I hope now it is clear. We have shared that area, how you have to fill the information in an area form. डोज की जगह डोज लिखनी है, फ्रीक्वेंसी की जगह फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखनी है, जहाँ प्रॉब्लम पूछी है वहाँ प्रॉब्लम डिस्क्राइब करनी है, द होल प्रॉब्लम यू नीड टू डिस्क्राइब इट. ठीक है, इलैबोरेटली. नाउ अगेन विल टेक हाउ यू हैव टू फिल द एरिया फॉर्म. आफ्टर दिस सेशन, when it will be completed, we'll just take in a brief how you have to fill the area form. Okay, so PH 3.7, now we'll starting with the preparing a list of essential medicine for a healthcare facility. So you have the learning objectives. You should be able to define the essential medicine, appreciate its importance, describe the process selecting these essential medicines, and prepare a list of essential medicine for a given healthcare facility. So what are essential medicine? Essential medicine क्या होती हैं? Essential medicine is which meets the or which satisfies the priority healthcare need of the majority of the population. तो priority healthcare need में जैसे fever हो गया, pain हो गया, so which are the priority healthcare need which fulfills this priority healthcare need? These essential medicines are there in the essential medicine list. ठीक है, इस इन essential medicines की एक list prepare की जाएगी, so that they should be available at all the times in adequate amount in appropriate dosage form with assured quality and adequate information at affordable price. ठीक है, ये हम इंश्योर करते हैं इन इसेंशियल मेडिसिन को सिलेक्ट करके लिस्ट में डाल के हम ये इंश्योर करेंगे कि ये हमें अवेलेबल हो ऑल द टाइम इन एडिक्वेट अमाउंट, अप्रोप्रिएट डोसेज फॉर्म, एश्योर्ड क्वालिटी, एडिक्वेट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड एट अफोर्डेबल प्राइस. ठीक है, सो टू प्रमोट द रैशनल यूज ऑफ मेडिसिन. Now how it was started is 1977 when the first model list of essential drug or the medicine was published by WHO. Now this is considered as a model list. जो WHO list बनाता है, that is considered as a model list, and based on that list, countries they make their own list based on the disease incidence or the prevalence, the pattern of the disease, the resistance pattern, the availability of the drugs. So all this thing keeping in mind, the country prepare their own list, keeping the mind model list, that is the model list is WHO list. Now the list is revised every 2 years by WHO expert committee. ये revise होती है 2 साल में. revise करना क्यों जरूरी होगा इस लिस्ट का? रिवीजन क्यों जरूरी है? हम बार बार रिवाइज क्यों करेंगे इन एसेंशियल मेडिसिन लिस्ट को? न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर हमारे को मिली है ऐसी जिसकी वजह से हमें उसे हटाना पड़ रहा है, और कोई रेजिस्टेंस पैटर्न ऐसा डेवलप हो गया है कि पहले तो वो इफेक्टिव थी अब इफेक्टिव नहीं है, कोई बेटर ड्रग आ गई है मार्केट में उससे, तो आपको पहले वाली ड्रग को हटाओगे लिस्ट से. सो यू विल कीप ऑन अपडेटिंग डिपेंड ऑन द नीड. Now the current is, you can change, the current is the 22nd WHO model list is the current list which has been published in 2021, and the 8th list for children, that is the essential medicine list for children is the 8th one, and 22nd is the WHO list. Now the national list of essential medicine we are still following is the 2015, which is available, which you have to download it from this site, CDSCO site. Who will going to expand the CDSCO? कौन expand करेगा CDSCO को? Yes. Very good. Central Drug Standard Control Organization. So here in this site you can download this National List of Essential Medicine 2015. ना क्या क्राइटेरिया है कि कोई भी ड्रग इस लिस्ट में शामिल हो? दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है, बेस्ड ऑन द एक्सपीरियंस, नॉट ओनली ओपिनियन. Opinion of the doctor can be because of many of the reason, but it is not based on the opinion, it is based on the experience, safety and efficacy of the drug. Most safer and the most efficacious among the group will be included in the list. Inclusion of a newer drug is only done if they offer a significant advantage over the previous drug. Standard quality should be there, bioavailability and stability of the drug should be there, convenient dosage form and favorable pharmacokinetics to improve the compliance. It should have the convenient dosage form and the favorable pharmacokinetics. And when you are having 2 or more drug options, so which has to be chosen? It is better understood drug or the better investigated drug. Based on the clinical studies, based on the clinical utility, treatment of more than one condition of a disease, you will choose that drug. Favorable pharmacokinetic profile हो जिसकी, favorable stability criteria is there, local reliable manufacturing facilities exist, so that drug you will select. So these are the various criteria, based on that you will select it. Then the cost benefit ratio, you will assess the cost benefit ratio and you will select the drug, and combination is only included if they offer relatively better efficacy, safety, compliance, etc. Otherwise the single drug is preferred to be there in the essential medicine list. So national list of essential medicine 15 contains 376 drugs, in which only 20 are FDC. And periodic review of essential medicine list should be done. So its periodic review is done in 2 to 5 years. So these are the advantages of essential medicine list. The other side, just enumerate all the advantages one by one. So what are the advantages of essential medicine list? So you have the criteria. So can you read it now? So do you agree with it? So all these are the advantages of essential medicine list. You have selected based on safety, efficacy, stability, manufacturing facility, pharmacokinetic profile and all, cost benefit analysis and everything. You have included the drug in the list. So to promote basically a rational use of medicine. Now what are orphan drugs? Yeah, orphan drugs are drugs which are used for diagnosis, prevention or treatment of a rare disease. For an example, digoxin antibody, fomepizole, these are the antiviral drug, and so these are the some of the drugs which are manufacturing cost and development cost or the marketing cost is not gathered by the it's not suitable for the pharmaceutical industry, but the government give incentives and promote it, and thereby these orphan drugs are promoted by the government so that they are manufactured. Now what are emergency medicines? Emergency medicines are, these are the medicines which are should be available at the time of medical emergency. तो ये जो मेडिसिन्स होती हैं ये हर जगह अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए, चाहे वो प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर हो, सेकेंडरी हेल्थ सेंटर हो या टर्शरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर हो, ठीक है, ये हर जगह अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए. इन्हें हम कहते हैं इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन्स. जैसे कि पैरासीटामोल इंजेक्शन हो गया, डाइक्लोफिनेक इंजेक्शन हो गया, एड्रेनालिन हो गया, एट्रोपिन हो गया. तो ये है हमारे इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन जो हर जगह अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए. So you have this national list of essential medicine 2015. You have the following sections in it. Now there are, these sections will say about the anesthetic agents, section 2 about the analgesic antipyretic, section 3 about anti-allergic. So similarly you have all the sections. Now, जब आप ये list खोलोगे, there you will see that again in this the drugs, their strength, their dosage, their frequency, all this is being given. With that, it is mentioned where it should be available. ठीक है, primary, secondary or tertiary care level, health care level. So where it should be available, that is also you will see in the list. So where you don't need, suppose in New Zealand there is no snake, so anti-snake venom is not needed in the New Zealand. So similarly, you have to design your essential drug list based on the problem or the healthcare needs of the patient or the population you are dealing with.